కంటెంట్స్లో పేజ్ నెంబర్ 4 టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ మనీ. అది అయిపోయిందండి పైది. టు ద ప్రాబ్లం, మనీ ప్రాబ్లం. నా ఫస్ట్ వన్, లెండింగ్ అండ్ బారోయింగ్ మనీ. వాట్ ఆర్ ది డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ లెండింగ్, గివింగ్ మనీ, అండ్ బారోయింగ్, టేకింగ్ లోన్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్స్? మనము ఎవరికైనా అప్పిస్తే ఏంటి నష్టం, లేకపోతే అప్పు తీసుకుంటే ఏమి నష్టం? ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు. హలో మై డి ఫ్రెండ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? ఐ ఆమ్ ఫైన్. యూ ఐమ్ ఆల్సో ఫైన్. యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ వెరీ సాడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాటర్? సో ఐ ఆమ్ ఏ రిటైర్డ్ మ్యాన్. ఐ హ్యావ్ గాట్ సమ్ రిటైర్మెంట్ బెనిఫిట్స్ and 3 lakh rupees or something like. And knowing about the retirement benefit, my one uncle of mine has come to me and asked for 2 lakh rupees because he is going to have the marriage of his daughter. కూతురి యొక్క పెళ్ళట, అందువల్ల అనమాట 2 lakh rupees ఇవ్వనైనా తక్కువ అయిపోయింది, లేకపోతే పెళ్ళి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ సెంటిమెంట్తో నన్ను కొట్టేశాడు. అందువల్ల I gave him 2 lakh rupees 6 months ago. But at the time of taking money, he promised to give back that money and in 3 months. But he did not give. I went to him around 3 months ago, but asked for money. Arey, I do not have any money, and I shall give you next month. Like that, he went on saying like that. And lastly, he said, I did not give the money. You did not give the money, that's all. And చెప్పేశాడు ఆఖరికి. So I lost too. And next month I have to pay the money for my son for intermediate examination fee. I don't have any money. I do not know what to do. So giving money to anybody as a loan, you will lose everything. You will lose everything. And he does not talk to me now. And my own uncle relative has become enemy to me. సొంత అంకులే అన్నమాట, రిలేటివ్ నాకు శత్రువు అయిపోయాడు. డబ్బులు ఇవ్వడం వల్ల శత్రువులు అయిపోతారు, బంధాలు తెగిపోతాయి, ఆఖరికి మన యొక్క మనశ్శాంతి లేకుండా పోతుంది, డబ్బులు కూడా పోతాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ ది డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ లెండింగ్ మనీ. డబ్బు ఇప్పిస్తే ఏమవుతుందో ఇది డిసడ్వాంటేజ్. Then my dear friend, you are also looking very sad. What is the matter? I have taken 1 lakh rupees from my friend or from my relative, and I promised to give him in 3 months. 3 months lo ichestanu because I want to pay some money to my son's fee, engineering sheet. But he did not wait for 3 months to go. And next month only he came. వచ్చేసాడు అనమాట, డబ్బులు అడిగాడు. I am in need of money. Please repay the money immediately. అరే my uncle, I want to pay after 3 months, but you have come and earlier. How can I give? No, you must give. You must pay the money immediately because I am in need of money suddenly. And what to do, I do not know. And I am going to Raith Bazaar. And on the road, he has met me and also asked me for money. And I went to my friend's house, friend's marriage, friend's son's marriage. There also he came to me, asked me for the repayment. And one of my relatives died. He came to the burial ground also and asked for the repayment of money. And night time also, at midnight also, he phoned to me and asked for the repayment of money. It is because of the and non-repayment of the money, and I have lost a peace of mind and also sleep also, and I am not able to even have happiness with my family. These are the disadvantages of lending money. So Shakespeare says that neither borrower nor a lender be. ఎవరికి అప్పు ఇవ్వద్దు, ఎవరి దగ్గర అప్పు తీసుకోవద్దు. అప్పిస్తే తిరిగి రాదు, బంధాలు తెగిపోతాయి. అప్పు తీసుకుంటే మనశ్శాంతి ఉండదు, అండ్ ఆత్మగౌరవం నశించిపోతుంది, సంఘంలో అన్నీ పోతాయి. నిద్రపోతుంది, మనశ్శాంతి ఉండదు, ఏది ఉండదు. ఉన్నదానితో తృప్తిపడడం మంచిది. ప్లాన్ వేసుకొని ఎకనామిక్గా చూసుకోవాలి. ఇది అన్నమాట ఫస్ట్దండి. ఎట్ ది పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్, అంతకుముందే చెప్పేశాను కదా, యూ వాంట్ టు సెండ్ రిజిస్టర్డ్ పార్సల్, అది అక్కర్లేదు, ఇంటికి కొట్టేయండి. At the grocery store or shopping for groceries, over. And the lady customer has gone to the supermarket for groceries. Circle కోసం వెళ్తే the conversation between the supplier and the lady customer, over. 45, 46 also over. Next, identifying people suddenly. And you have met your friend at a marriage. And suddenly, you met him. I think you are not able to, after 15 or 20 years, you met your friend at a marriage of your relative. I think your name is Subbarao and your name is Venkatrao. Arey Subbarao, how are you? Arey Venkatrao, how are you? Really, I am greatly surprised to see you. In the 10th class, you are very, very, very and very weak and very thin. Now you have become very bulky and also stout. What is the matter? And generally in the studies, at the time of studies, we are weak and we are lean. But now I am married. And are you married? Yes, I am married. I am working as and after 10th class I joined MPC. I became a civil engineer. Now I am working in the municipality as a civil engineer. You made a friend, and you know that in the 10th class my father has been transferred to and Hyderabad. There I joined BPC group. I got a medical seat. Now I am a cardiologist. I have very good practice. Are you married? Sorry, I am not married. And in the third year B and medical, I had some contact with Mary. అది కూడా థర్డ్ ఇయర్ మెడికలే. దాంతో అనమాట పరిచయం అయింది. తర్వాత అది అనమాట 4th ఇయర్లో అది అనమాట ఎవరితోనండి, జాన్ గారితో వెళ్ళిపోయింది. She gave hand it to me. Sir, what should I do? Son, I have lost peace of mind. I stopped reading also. I did not go to medical college. Then my mother gave support to me and encouraged me to study. Then I have decided not to marry any other girl. So I am not married. So my dear friend, how many days will you stay? 3 days I will stay. I want to meet all our friends and relatives. So why don't you come to our house for lunch tomorrow? Yes, I shall come. I want to see my sister and your children also. Okay, welcome. I shall be waiting for you at our house. Okay, tomorrow. అయిపోయింది.